Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Max Pro, the new Apple Watch Series 5, and then I got the Pomegranate Sport Loop band. So the first thing we're going to open is the new iPhone 11 Max Pro, and I got mine in the color gold, and then I got mine in the 512 gigabyte storage size. So let's open. Alright, so here's the phone. And then of course it comes with like the normal paper stuff. Headphones. Lightning cable. And then the new fast charger. And that's it for that. Let me turn this on. So the next thing that we're gonna open is the Series 5 watch. So I got this in the gold aluminum case, and I just picked the pink sand sport band. I originally wanted this, but because I ordered through the military and veterans site, for some reason it didn't pop up the little studio or whatever, so this is what I got. So here's the actual watch face and its little sleeve. And then the normal paperwork crap. Charger, the cable for the Apple Watch, and then obviously I got the regular pink sand sport loop, but I'm gonna be using this one. So I'm gonna open this. So this is the Pomegranate sport loop. Yeah, pomegranate. So there's the Series 5. Color is this? God damn it. Okay. So here's the Series 5 gold watch with the pomegranate sport loop. I still have my Series 4, but I'm using the lavender gray. So there's my unboxing of my new iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold.